Hi, welcome to the OPOLab. This is the class OSSD Grade 10 NPM 2D, Chapter 2 Analytic Geometry, Linear Segments and Circles, Section 2.5 Verifying Properties of Geometric Figures. So this section we use the coordinate geometry to verify the different types of properties of geometric figures. So first we need to review the different types of formula we have already studied before. First one is called the midpoint. Second is use the slope formula. The third one is for the distance. The first one is called the parallel lines. And the fifth is we also study like the perpendicular lines. So for the middle point, it stands for m for x plus x2 over 2 and for y value plus together and over 2. For the slope, it is just use the y2 minus y x2 minus xy. For the distance is the opponent. It is that to use the x2 minus xy square plus y2 minus y square. Parallel is that when the slope are equal. For the perpendicular line, just for my times the m2 equal to negative 1. Okay, now we do need to the y example. So we already know there is 3 certain point of the p is negative 2, 2, and for q is y 3, for r is 4, 1, and there is m at the end a middle point. So if we do not have the figure, so how we can know the properties of these figures? Okay, we just to calculate use this 4 informations, use 5 steps. Okay, solution. First, we can to classify the two middle point of m and n. Just to use that coordinate here. Just to negative y plus y equal to 2, 2 plus 3 over 2 equal negative y over 2 and 5, 2. Just wait. That happen. Right. You just to use the p point and the q point for find m, and use the p point of r point to find n. So we can know that m equal to negative plus y over 2 and 2 plus 3 over 2. We can get the negative y over 2 and 5 over 2. N equal negative 2 plus 4 over 2 and 2 plus negative y 2 equal to y over 2. Okay, this second step we can to calculate the slope. It's for n for qr and for m for mn. Use the y coordinate point and over x point equal to negative 4.3 is the same as for y over 2 negative y over 2. And it is equal to negative 4/2 divided by y plus y/2 equal to -4/3. So we can note that for MQR equal to MN. So that means we can get MN parallel to the QR. It's just step 3. The step 4 we just to calculate the distance of the line. Just for the three lines. So it's for the QR, MN. Yes. QR equal to use the QY3 at the for -4, just the 4. So it's equal to √25 equal to 5. At MN equal to y minus -y/2 square root plus y/2 -y/2. So it is equal to 3/2 square plus 2 square. So equal to 5/2. Okay, now we can get the MM shows the MN equal to y/2 QRY. So we can get the middle segment property. So we can calculate that if in any triangle, the M is the middle point of PQ, and the N equal to is the middle point of the PR connection with the MN. So the MN equal to y/2 Q is the half of the QR. Let's see the second one. We can call that the quadratic theorem. That means in the parallelogram, we still connected the four middle point of C forest. So it means this figure is in the parallelogram. Okay, first we need to get the point. What's that? For P equal to -7 and 9. For Q is 9 and 11. For R is 9 -1. The S is 1 -1 1. Okay. Solution. Just to calculate the 4 point. It's the same step. JK. You can go. And this is the J, and this is the M, this is the L, and this is the K. Use the J, we can use the PQ, use the K, we can use the QR, calculate the L, we can use the SR, we calculate the M, we can use the PS. So the K point is the 5, and the L is 9 plus 1 over 2. Two, 5, 6. So the M is 1 plus -7, which -11 plus 9, and -5. Now we can get the dashboard point. Now we calculate the slope for mjk equal to 9 plus 1 equal to -5.8. For m equal to -1 plus -1 and over -3 minus 5. And is that for 5 over 8 negative. So we can go to the jk parallel to the lm. Next, we can use the same step. We can find the KL parallel to the JM. So we can note that the figure of the JKLM is the parallelogram. For the third one is called the particular base code of our code. That means in the circle equation we have the 2 points to connect it with for the line are close to the point of 0, 0. It must be perpendicular to this line. So how to get that? So first we can get the circle equation. With the circle equation we can get the we use the 5 and we square it equal to 25. So we can get the circle equation equal to x squared plus y squared equal to 125. We just use the 10 plus the 5 equal to 125. Next, we calculate the point of m equal to 10 times 2 over 2 and 5 plus -11. And we can get the number of the middle point of m. So if we want to find if that is perpendicular, so we must to find the slope of perpendicular. So it's the -5 over 2 minus 10. We just use the AB to take it as the slope equal to 2. By the way, so so you can do like that. You can use this formula, so we can get the m perpendicular equal to -1 over 2. We can plug it to the formula. Y plus -3 y over 2 x minus 6. Can simplify it equal to y equal to -1 over 2x. Now we can get any conclusion. So we can note that the 0 to 0 we can lines are the perpendicular lines of the AB. Okay,